Number 1. 1993 Ford Ranger, price $7,995, solid condition with a clean title and well-documented history. This truck has only 66,000 original miles, verified by Carfax, and comes equipped with an automatic transmission and a gasoline engine. It features a clean white exterior paired with a blue interior. The vehicle sits on a professionally lowered suspension, giving it a sleek stance while still maintaining a smooth and comfortable driving experience. It runs strong, sounds great, and has recently received a full tune-up to ensure reliability. Additionally, it comes with new rims and tires, along with new brakes. Overall, this Ranger presents itself as a clean, well-maintained truck with low mileage and tasteful upgrades. The only noted downsides are that it needs an AC compressor and has a small tear on one of the seats. Number 2. 1998 Ford Ranger, price $9,000, well-maintained and highly reliable truck with 226,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and a gasoline-powered 3.0L V6 Vulcan engine. It features a factory Forest Service green exterior with a gray interior. Over the past year, it has received significant upgrades, including a top-end engine rebuild and transmission rebuild, along with a manual hub conversion. The truck sits on a 2-inch lift with 33-inch Mickey Thompson MTZ tires, giving it a more rugged appearance and capability. The frame is solid and rust-free, while the AC blows cold, the heat works well, and factory cruise control has been added for comfort. Although the title is marked as a total loss, documentation and a Carfax report confirm only minor damage with no existing issues. Number 3. 2001 Dodge Dakota, price $5,500, showing just 107,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with an automatic transmission and powered by a dependable 4.7L V8 Magnum engine, running on gasoline. The truck features a blue exterior complemented by a clean gray interior, giving it a classic and well-kept appearance both inside and out. This vehicle is described as being in excellent overall condition, with no rust, no known mechanical issues, and a solid, straight body. It runs and drives great, reflecting proper care from its single previous owner. The 4x2 drivetrain makes it a practical and efficient option for everyday driving or light-duty tasks. With a clean title and a reputation for reliability, this Dodge Dakota stands out as a clean, honest truck that is ready for its next owner to enjoy. Number 4. 1993 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000. It has traveled approximately 280,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, runs on gasoline. This particular truck has been upgraded with a 1996 LT1 engine, originally found in the Corvette, adding a significant boost in performance. Both the engine and transmission were rebuilt at around 200,000 miles, and the vehicle continues to run strong and reliably. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new OptiSpark distributor, a new timing chain and gears, as well as refreshed interior elements such as newer carpet and headliner. The truck is also equipped with an aftermarket stereo system for improved audio experience. Additionally, it features a metallic blue paint job that enhances its overall visual appeal. Number 5. 2000 Dodge Ram 2500, price $10,000, with 297,000 miles on the odometer, equipped with an automatic transmission and finished in a silver exterior paired with a gray interior. The exterior shows normal wear and tear consistent with its age, with no major body blemishes, while the interior is in decent condition aside from a tear on the driver's seat. Over the past year, the truck has received extensive maintenance and upgrades, including a new transmission, new AC system, and brand new tires. The steering system has been fully refreshed with new upper and lower ball joints, and the rear end seals have been replaced. Additional updates include new and improved headlights, a new windshield washer fluid tank, and a completely new dashboard. It is also equipped with a gooseneck hitch, making it ready for towing needs. Number 6. 1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,500, equipped with a reliable 6.5L turbo diesel engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain. It has accumulated 261,000 miles and features a black exterior complemented by a gray interior. This vehicle has received numerous recent upgrades and maintenance improvements. These include a new water pump, G60 glow plugs along with a new glow plug harness, rear brake cylinders, shoes, and hardware, as well as a new belt and belt tensioner. The steering system has been refreshed with new tie rods, a pitman arm, and an idler arm. Additional updates include new oil cooler lines, a replacement grille, updated headlights, and a service transmission with a new pan and filter. The vacuum pump has been removed and replaced with a manual wastegate setup. while a lift pump relay kit has been installed to improve fuel delivery. A boost gauge has also been added to monitor engine performance more effectively. Number 7. 1997 Nissan Hardbody, price $5,000, well-maintained and clean example of a classic compact truck. It features an extended cab configuration and is powered by a 2.4-liter four-cylinder gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission and a capable 4WD system. The vehicle comes in a black exterior with a gray interior, offering a simple yet timeless look. Despite the body showing 279,000 miles, the truck benefits from a newly installed engine and transmission, enhancing its reliability and performance. Notably, the body is reported to be completely rust-free and remains in very clean condition overall. This combination of refreshed mechanical components and a well-preserved exterior makes it a solid and dependable option for those seeking a durable and classic pickup. Number 8. 1998 Dodge Dakota, price $5,500, with relatively low mileage of just 81,000 miles. Equipped with a 3.9L V6 engine and automatic transmission, it delivers solid and reliable performance. The truck features a red exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. This example comes with a Class 3 hitch already installed, making it suitable for light towing needs, and it sits on a set of brand new BF Goodrich tires, adding both value and road readiness. Despite the cosmetic wear, the truck remains extremely clean, with no signs of rust or fluid leaks, an indication of its southern origin and careful use. The interior is also in excellent condition, featuring an uncracked dashboard protected by a dash cover, along with a newly installed battery, making it ready for immediate use. Number 9. 1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $4,800, presented as a solid and reliable pickup with 204,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and dependable driving experience. This truck runs on gasoline and features a red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, giving it a bold and classic look. The vehicle comes with a functional cold air conditioning system, ensuring comfort during drives. Despite its age, the body remains clean with no rust, which is a strong advantage for a truck of this era. However, the paint has faded over time, and the dashboard shows some wear. Number 10. 1996 Ford F250, price $3,800, powered by the renowned 7.3L Power-Stroke engine, paired with an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. It has accumulated 389,000 miles and features a white exterior with a clean gray interior. The truck is equipped with an 8-foot bed and includes a toolbox, making it well-suited for hauling and daily utility tasks. It also comes with a gooseneck hitch, ready for towing heavier loads. Both the air conditioning and heating systems are in excellent working condition, ensuring comfort in various weather conditions. Recent maintenance includes the installation of 2 new batteries, a new ICP sensor, and a new lift pump, contributing to its reliable performance. The vehicle runs and drives great, reflecting proper upkeep over the years.